Thank you for stopping by whatliesinayourdebt.com. If you are having any debt-related issues, doesn't matter if it's foreclosure, credit card issues, student loans, medical debt, wage garnishments, foreclosures, none of it matters. This is the resource. This is the one-stop shop that's going to help you get through it. Secondly, not only does it help you get through it, guys, it also puts a ton of money in your pocket because that's what we teach our members. The best defense is a great offense. And if you don't know your rights, you waive them. So with that being said, let's go on in. I'm going to show you a little bit of our site. Can't show it all to you. There's just way too much information. But it'll give you a glimpse into what you get for joining and the support you get. So anyway, from the top, you see using the website, cleaning up your credit, our upcoming webinar series, the webinar archive series, which has 5 years worth of topic-specific information there. Our teleconference call schedule, it also has 5 years of calls that have been archived there. The Taking Their Money section is one of my favorite. This shows you how to go after the debt collectors who are sending you the nasty grams, right? The collection activities, the credit reports, if they're reporting false information or negative information on that credit. Illegal phone calls, personally my favorite. We have several members that have gone into the high six figures, 250, 300 grand over the last 4 years. How to use them in combination. And then protecting your money, of course. Once you get that, how do you protect that money from them? You can see all of these sections are full of tutorials. They're full of resources to help you get through it. Go on. If you need foreclosure issues, guys, listen, I personally have won 3 houses, 3 trials in almost 7 years. And I have documented the entire process, and it's all here. It goes literally from what I call the pre-foreclosure all the way down to securitization audits and the worst case scenario of bankruptcy, what you need to do and how to do it, to a short sale if you want to work it out with the bank. So the MERS section, of course, everybody's favorite. The tutorials are here, what to look for, how MERS works, and the resources. You see all those blue links? It's incredible. And then down here, all the MERS robo-signing deposition, so you can actually get to know these people and you can use that information in your cases. And my favorite of the entire website is what I feel the #1 resource on the internet for questions and answers, which is our forum. Has 5 years of questions and answers. So you can see down below here, it has 20,000 posts, 6,000 topic-specific questions, guys. So if you can't find your answer here, you can't find it anywhere. Do yourself a favor, join us today. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.